Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.95. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 31.15% since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.89% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 27.91% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 3.11% and 44.31%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected decline of about 34.37%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from a decrease of 67.43% to a decrease of 34.37% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $42.21 and $85.05. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price up 1.04% on Monday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 1.04% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, rising from $128.24 to $129.58. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.07%, with a day low of $126.82 and a day high of $133.25. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.52% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume fell on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold for approximately $8.29 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 30.81% or $57.70 below the 52-week high, and 42.99% or $97.72 below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, known as AMD, is making headlines today as its stock is experiencing a notable rise, currently up 1.1% in today's trading session. This upward momentum follows strategic advancements in their field programmable gate array technology and cloud partnerships aimed at boosting revenues in their embedded segment. Analysts express optimism about AMD's forthcoming product launches, particularly in artificial intelligence chip development, which could further solidify its competitive edge against industry leader NVIDIA. Melius Research has upgraded AMD from a hold to a buy rating, setting a price target of $175. Emphasizing the anticipated surge in demand for AI-capable chips for both hyperscale and sovereign clients. The stock has shown a strong recovery since hitting a low of $76.43 in April, now trading around $130, bolstered by signs of a mini golden cross, indicating potential for further price appreciation. However, the landscape isn't entirely without its challenges. concerns regarding macroeconomic factors like inflationary pressures and geopolitical risks loom large, potentially creating turbulence in the AI spending cycle. Market sentiment is leaning bullish, reflected in accumulating options positions and technical analysis, suggesting a continuation of this upward trend. If AMD can navigate these challenges while capitalizing on its innovative product pipeline, it could see favorable stock price movement in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned AMD an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support around the levels of $124.68 and $114.49. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 65.68%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence. There was a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. Bollinger Band showed a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 42 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $126.39. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.43 between its high and low, representing a change of 5.07%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it might suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 56 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $126.39. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of June, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider buy of 7,494 shares of common stock. On the same day, Guido Philipp also conducted an insider buy of 2,097 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of June, 2025, Guido Philipp acquired 7,494 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider buy of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also purchased 16,586 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 98.808. In total, insiders purchased 114,493 shares and sold none in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $125.59, which reflects a decrease of 3.08%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom observed 51 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Advanced Micro Devices stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by approximately 0.3% and start trading at $129.88. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.